We had to stop the damage that was going on. And we were faced with this dilemma. We know we have a problem, but how do we solve it? My name is Wes Heaps. I'm the president of the Mill Creek Hollow Homeowners Association. We started to have some widespread reports of people getting water into their condo units. We would have some water intrusions into some of the hallways. We started to wonder if we had a larger problem. And that's when we decided we need a consulting architect here who knows about water intrusion, who can give us an educated answer on what we need to do to solve the problems that we have found. J2 really stood heads above everybody else that we had interviewed. We needed someone like J2 to help us get this done and get it done correctly. And I will honestly say that J2 has exceeded our expectations. The process has been pretty amazing. They help manage the whole schedule, then go through and do quality checks on the work that's going on, making sure that scope is being executed on in the correct manner. Their oversight has been tremendous. The buildings are brand new, and J2's solution to that was cost effective and aesthetically pleasing. J2 Building Consultants is really perfect for any homeowner association or anybody who finds themselves in that situation. They really became like a partner to our homeowners association, a trusted advisor, a friend. I couldn't be happier.